Diagnosing a Ferrari no start condition. This is a 458 Italia, specifically a 2010, but I believe California and several other models this vintage had the same situation, could have the same issue. So battery is pulled out right now, so I'm not gonna show you exactly what's happening, but it's pretty easy to tell. You turn the key on, everything lights up, windows work, everything works as expected. You hit the start button and it makes a click and nothing. You don't get any start crank at all. So, top of the battery. This is off the positive post, actually the positive post connector. Let me see if you can see it there. It's right here. So this sits on top of the battery. You should see it there. And what's missing currently from here, I've unbolted it, is this called a Cal 5 fuse. And this thing's really high amperage. I think it can take 1100 amps for like half a second, 1.5 seconds. It can take 700 amps, and then it goes down to about 400 continuous. All right, so this little guy sits between these terminals, and these were really hard to unbolt. And what you can see is this heavy lead here, that's the one going to the starter. So if this thing is fried, you're not gonna get any start. And the most likely situation for this is trying to start the car with a low battery. Low voltage results in higher amperage. Amperage is what fries fuses, and I've seen this as a fairly common issue, especially since I just converted to a lithium-ion battery and I think it was a little low. And we know these things have a parasitic drain. So this one, this is the old one. I don't know if you can hear that. You can't really see it. There we go. Maybe you can hear that. You can't really see if these things are blown. But if you have a multimeter like this, we can go for oh, not that one. This tells you if both sides are connected. Let's see. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Here's a new one I picked up at a Dodge dealership. Renegades, Compasses, some other Dodge made in Italy products also use these, and that's what it's supposed to do. Ding, ding, ding. Both sides of this are good. We have connectivity through there. This one was kind of tricky. Sometimes it would beep because, as you can, it's like rattling. If you got it in just the right position, both sides. So it's just sort of burnt out in between there. It's not doing it now, of course, but that's a problem. So this is our good one. Let's make sure. Yep, this is our good one. Put it in there and see if it starts on a fully charged battery. There we go. That is a running Ferrari. Time to scoot that guy back in, and we are good to go. $40 fuse. Not exactly a cheap fuse, but a pretty cheap way to fix